هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو عالم الغيب والشهادة هو الرحمن الرحيم. هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو الملك القدوس السلام سلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر سبحان الله عما يشركون. هو الله الخالق البارئ المصور له الأسماء الحسنى يسبح له ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم. Allah is He except whom there is no other God. Allah is He except whom there is no other God. Who knows the absent? Who knows the evidence? He is most gracious, most merciful. Allah is He except whom there is no other God. The King, the Holy One, the source of peace, the guardian of belief, the preserver of safety, the exalted in might, the irresistible, the supreme. Glory to Allah above the partners, the names they attribute to Him. He is Allah, the creator, the evolver, the bestower of forms. To Him belongs the most beautiful names. Whatever is in the skies and the earth do declare His praises and glory. He is the exalted in might, the wise. I can't say this. I am just repeating the words of the Creator. Who can be like that? Can a man be like that? Or animals? Or planets? Or stars? Or galaxies? Who can be like that? Who doesn't know God? It is within us. Every being born on this planet knows the reality, but is trying to understand from his emotions. Doesn't want to hear the voice of Allah. Doesn't want to understand the real Creator's words, but want to conject, want to run away from the real Almighty. Face it. Who is this personality except than Allah? Allah is speaking to all mankind. He didn't preserve this book for special people. He speaks directly. This book was sent for all mankind of all nationalities of the world. You don't want to face it. You want to listen other people's opinions. Man talking about God, what he can talk? Nothing. He can't describe the Creator Almighty because He Himself is a created being.